blood loves drugs. With the deficit comes strength from the same source that guided me to the understanding of these constant imbalances in human affairs. Weather strangles people, mangles people, exposes evil. The government don't care, which was decided way before raindrops filled air. Mother Nature was framed. Weather Channel spun the evidence. They want to give her the book for African embezzlements, but the culture murder was by Fortune 500 presidents that raises cost of living to displaced culture residents. Yo, remind me to tell God next time we talk. Learning is eternal and I've realized lots. But why does ignorance reign and oppress me thought? It's like why your teachers are flat broke and we high paid cops. Remind me to rewind yesterday's ideas so I won't forget mistakes that create tears and avoid falling into the trap of the media hype that creates and ignites fears.
Ignites fears.